Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to accept an invite on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the three lines where you can click on and have the home, issues, pull requests, and so on. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile picture, we have the set status, your profile, etc., etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and accept an invite on GitHub. So accepting an invite on GitHub is straightforward. And here are the steps. First of all, you need to check your email. So look an invitation email from GitHub. It will contain a link to accept an invitation. Then click the link. Click on the link in the email. Then it will redirect you to GitHub. Then sign in. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to go log into your GitHub account. After that, accept the information. So once logged in, you'll see an option to accept the invitation. Click on it and it'll be added to the repository or the organization. If you prefer, you can also accept the invitation directly on GitHub. So go to GitHub, open GitHub in your web browser as I did now. Go to click on your profile picture in the top right corner, as you can see here, and select your organizations and then or your repositories, depending on the type of invitation. Find invite, look for the pending invitation, and just click accept. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.